Hey there, Erin with 2Win, and welcome to our channel. I am very excited to share some tools and techniques that will help improve your effectiveness with clients and prospects. So today's crime is called the hamster wheel. And we all know what happens when a hamster gets stuck on their wheel. They go nowhere fast. Have you ever felt that way in a demo? Where all you're doing is reacting to your prospects' questions and objections? In our last video, I discussed a demo crime called loss leading the lost, which tends to lead into the hamster wheel crime. When you start to lose control of your demo and fail to show features that improve your prospects day-to-day, you get tossed on the wheel. And believe me, it happens fast. And once you're on the wheel, well, let's just say exiting isn't always so graceful. The key here is to reel it back. I know what you're thinking. That's easier said than done. But with a few tips and a little practice, you'll be able to answer your prospects' questions and objections while staying on track. So how can you stay in control of your demo while answering unexpected questions and objections? One way is to use the "why don't I take one more question" technique. You see politicians use this technique all the time. This is an easy way to allow your audience to feel like they're being heard while keeping you on track. Side note, if you have an hour to present a demo, make sure to leave yourself about 15 minutes so that you can answer any unexpected questions or objections. The second way to avoid the hamster wheel crime is to physically move yourself away from the podium and write the questions down on a whiteboard. Or, if you're in a virtual demo, pause your software and pull up a virtual whiteboard. The whiteboard allows you to circle back to their question at a better time, and you can continue your demo as planned. This crime can be incredibly frustrating. You feel like you're jumping from one feature to the next and struggling to answer all their questions, while never getting anywhere. In the end, you're left feeling exhausted and unclear about what's been accomplished. And you know what? Your audience feels the same way. You owe it to yourself and your prospect to stay in control of your demo. As always, if you found this helpful, make sure you hit that subscribe button, turn on notifications, and always stay one step ahead of your competitors.